Now we've got the points in our drawing and we're ready to create a surface. And to do that, I'll select the DTM menu and then create a surface. The program prompts me now down at the bottom left corner to start selecting the points for the surface. I can select them one by one, or I can call them up by their point name, or I can just drag a window around them all. Also at the bottom, it tells me when I'm done, just right-click anywhere on the screen to move on to the next step. Here we can enter a name for the surface and a short description. And the surface has been created, but it hasn't yet been calculated. If we want to do that, then we hit yes, and the program will go ahead and calculate the tin and the contours. Now, anytime a surface is recalculated, the program checks to make sure the data is valid. One of the things it checks for is to make sure that points are not too close together or on top of each other, as that can cause undesirable triangles in the tin model. And that's what the program's just done right here. It's telling us that it found two pairs of COGO points that are too close together. In this case, they were within about 4/100ths of each other. And I'll show you how to change that setting later on when we get to the video on surface properties. Now, if you want to manually correct this issue, you can print this list out and then cancel the command and go in and take care of these point conflicts yourself. Or you can click the Fix Issues button and let the program take care of it for you. If you let the program take care of the issues, it's actually going to remove the conflicting points from the list, which is what this warning is about. And in this case, that's not a problem, so I'll go ahead and click yes. And note that the conflicting point is not deleted, it's just removed from the surface. And now you can see we have our tin and our contours. And by the way, these tick marks along the outside here are not COGO points, they're just tick marks that are used as a visual aid to help you as you work with the drawing. To turn them off, go to the Options menu and then uncheck the Show Tick Marks setting. Next up, I'll show you how to add and remove points from the surface.